China, why the fuck is you humping on a minor?
The young mother you're about to meet was not 16. She wasn't 15. She wasn't 14. She wasn't 13. She wasn't even 12.
Rockstar. Yo, you might could get it, might could hit it, but I gotta run. And when you get it, don't be telling where you get it from. I know you young, but you know I like that young money. Be little boy, I could be your little teacher. And if you bow, then meet me behind the bleacher.
No, give me a second. Give me a second. I'm still digesting. Auntie, I'm not even gonna lie, you might have definitely fucked yourself up with this one. You just your run just might be over with. Auntie, what the fuck was that? You played in all our faces. In all of our faces. And let me be the first to let you know that you did. That was despicable, to say the fucking least. The shots to her dead mother, super not cool. I don't even know why you thought we was gonna be jacking that. Super not cool. Didn't you just lose your father, mind you? Have some decorum. And the whole song was garbage, and you made us wait mad long for it. Like, I'm shaking. The pearls was clutched to the finest degree. I'm very disappointed. The shots you took, it's giving very, very bothered. The song is unacceptable, unfathomable. I can't, like, the level of secondhand embarrassment washing over me, the bars, the flow, everything, that was nasty work. That was nasty work.
I never knew you could tell a woman you're so in love, you're trying to conceive a baby, and she would look at you and you see, I saw the true evil demonic serpent in her. Talking about she want to slap her, she should have slapped her mama. Bitch. Listen, baby, you can make as many pages as you want to. You the one that lied on your dead mama. On your dead mama, lied on your dead mama, lied on your dead mama. Even in the video, you can see her attention is on my husband. Go and watch the video on Twitter. This is the type of woman that can't wait to be around someone's man to see if they'll pay her. I dare you. I fucking dare you to say one more thing about my fucking family. Or y'all got a motherfucking clip coming and y'all don't even fucking know, bitch. Fragment foot, bitch. Bullet fragment foot, bitch. Bullet fragment. You bringing up 30-year-old T because no man has ever and will ever fucking love you. And lying on your dead mother, on your dead mama, on your dead, she done lied on her dead mama, lied on her dead mama, lied on her dead mama, lied on your, I said lied on her, hey sexy red, she done lied, she lied and she cried and she lied and she cried, she said she lied and she cried and she lied and she cried, and then she lied and she cried and she lied and she cried, cause she got blogs all up her stupid doofy self. Every press, I said no well, I don't give up, and then she tried to rap double time. Lied on your dead mama. 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 Mama, lied on your dead mama. Lied on your dead mama. Mama. But you will not disrespect Papa Bear, you dirty fucking ran through bird bum ass. Broke. You broke. Mama, lied on your dead mama, lied on your dead mama. But you will not disrespect Papa Bear, you dirty fucking ran through bird ass, bum ass, bitch. Broke bitch, you broke bitch. Tell them the truth, bitch. Y'all want it, Roman? Lied on her dead mama. Lied on her dead mama. Right after the funeral, she on her dead. I said, lied on her dead mama. You stupid hoe. What you did to Kelsey was disgusting. What you put that woman through. You put your black friend.
Who's he talking to?
A young. You was lying to the queen and you were lying to the king. Your first mistake is thinking that you were dealing with Nikki. Partisan is the one that said you lie on your dead mother when you lie, bitch. Partisan is the one that said you be lying on your dead mother, bitch. What you did to Kelsey was disgusting. What you put that woman through. You put your black friend. Let her be bullied non-stop. Went on Gayle King. Bullet fragment, bitch. She a bullet fragment, bitch. Oh yeah, all of your lies are being exposed because I held my silence. I kept my cool for a long time because I felt like, you know what, it's all fair in love and war. People, you know, but it's family, this family, that family, that. And I told y'all, after I push out my son, I said, don't talk about my motherfucking family. I am married.
Cry and she lie, she cry, and then she lie and she cry and she lie, she cry, cause she got blogs all up her stupid doofy self ass. Bitch took lying to her dead to a new level, bitch. Lie on your dead mama, lie on your dead mama, lie on your dead, on your dead mama, on your dead, on ya. She wanna go on Gayle King and lie, lie. You a lie, you nasty little lie. You bitch always lie. You beat, you fuck your friend, bitch. You wild. Ran through bird ass, bum ass, bitch. Broke bitch, you broke bitch. Tell them the truth, bitch. Super freaky girl is triple platinum. Fuck the club up, it's gold up in a month. Everybody featuring Uzi is gold. Huh? Don't lie on your mama's soul. Ooh.
Yeah, them pretend all the time, but one thing about me, I go block some dirty, old, nasty girl. Go suck your mother, bitch. See there? Heels can't manage the weight at all. Babyface Jada. This is a girl, you know. And when I go up on her page, you know, stay good. The list goes on to all sort of things. Sasha K. Francis, Watch Peppa Pig. The list goes on. The list goes on to the amount of things where, when me see over there. May I tell a man, yeah, them who want my business page forget take down. Yeah. And the same thing them do to my last page. Me say, you see the crack, the sadness and the wickedness we are going to happen to someone and not pitney them. Me I tell you say, me cry I water for everyone and the wicked things them want to do to me. Me ball. You see one time someone not dead, nobody enough to have nothing to say because they're not very wicked. And you see one time your box full out of people and their family mouth. It's almost like you send them go dead. So don't be surprised when time fuck.
no cash back when the thing gone. House and land, everything gone. Don't play with the choppings. Don't play with the jogging. Get that brand new script and we slaughter that. Go like Atlanta ice water that. Then nearly half heart attack. Plus me chip and me talk of that. Millions for the line and with a shot of that. No farm and a forward from. When them used to call me runner, no man stock mills by the hour. Hold the lead and make many see. See they know we got the power and bad minds start fall like big tower. Don't play with the jackets. Chop 30 mil by a morning. In love hear the clients them calling. Don't play with the duffel. A 30 mil, don't play with the duffel. I no cash back when the thing gone. House and land, everything gone. Don't play with the choppings. Don't play with the joggings. Buenos noches. While I sleep with no stress. No, I'm more.
Daniel, will you marry me?
No. Well, hang on, I'll get the check.
Get the check. 4 years, Daniel. We've been together 4 years. What have you been doing all this time if you were just gonna say no?
I didn't know I was...
I'm a woman, Daniel. I'm a 28-year-old woman. This is what we do. Look at what I did for you tonight. Look how much I love you. Say yes too much. Everyone, my name is Vanessa Sanchez. I can cook, I have my own business, and as of this moment, I am officially single. Google me if you're interested.
Good for her.
You don't like to dance? Come on, do the cha-cha. Shorty Spanish, so she like to call me Papa. True fact, everything I do, they call it Flocka. All they do is copy me, I call them Waka. She keep worried about my hoes, I had to block her. Had to kick her off the list, I'm playing soccer. Why you acting Jamaican? You not even the roster. If you really a Jamaican, make the...
Knocking at your pum pum wall. Tell a waste man, tell him can't get chance. Fly away Peter, fly away Paul. Mama coming on the room, make me fly away Jazz. Me say come dash.
I'm a big slow, take off the slow. Get it back to the mama to make it go.
Britney was a star. And when me say star, me not a baby star. Me a star, blood clot, bright star. What they done at Jerusalem when Jesus been a born. Bright star. But because Brittany wasn't humble, Britney never understands. Say, listen, it is okay. It is okay for a person to be your fan and be another person's fan. Either you and the person a friend or not. Either you and the person a friend or not. It is okay for a person to give you today and go give somebody else tomorrow. You have some people pan here, them have one team where them love and that they smaddy alone them a go give. I don't know could have cost no blow. Then now go switch up on that smaddy there. And that is okay. Popularity goes and it comes. Anybody know me from Instagram? Remember say me did a run Instagram one at a time. Me that run Instagram one at a time. Every video I post.
Me know why you match me. Me tell me know why you match me. Don't pick up my problem.
Like, what's up? So, like, why?
So, what do you mean by so what's up? When you come over here, you don't feel like talk. Nobody can tell if I talk. No feel like some tech programming a bit. You think you can program me? You bumbo clout again.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Oh, what the fuck wrong with you?
What wrong with blood clot you?
And fucking wrong with blood clot you.
Yeah. Me gone here, man, because me understand. So since you talk to her dog, it's like guilt or kill you, so you can't, you're not hypocrite. That's nice. I respect
blood clot, woman. Lady.
So, yeah, I gotta go, bro. I gotta go.
Lady.
Because I'm not gonna do it with him. Because it's like, a while ago, me there in town, you know, and me there on the floor. Missy Roger, I talk to her dog. Roger have the most talkative blood clot mouth. When now, me come home now. And me said, I send Roger a Max. Roger now.
All when me hungry like dog, ask them. Me prefer wait till one woman eat. I know one more and chew it in the bin. And wait till nobody now look and check it up. You know my time I'm hungry. I see people I eat and the blood clot meat drop a ground. I'm going to sit down so till everybody walk around it and take time and take it up. No girl can't tell me nothing for bring me down. You're mad.
Okay, you see.
As long as my teeth them they look away in my mouth and I rotten teeth in my head, me I live good. And not spot that everybody, me I live good. Man, fi have
don't have a problem.
Man do hard work.
For me or woman talk for me. And me not have a problem. So why did they have why everybody have a problem?
No yard my body. It's sweet me no spot no dep on my body.
This is crazy.
All them have to say choppy candy, you're full of cut, them can't mention no spot.
Yeah, good night.
No.
Good night.
Not clot.
Go on. Who are you?
No spot.
From where?
Cut you know have to say. When you can't say no spot.
Alright, come back tomorrow.
No swear I take my skin. Nope. Cut you say. Right.
And I want me say I goes into this and me a drop this. And you don't have to authorize this free job because me a drop this. And when I drop this, make YouTube or anybody come take it down and make a boy come lick me in my face and I drop this. Me a drop this.
Chip. He had the motherfucking baby in one arm like a football, ain't have no coat or nothing on Jesus. The baby freezing. The baby was on a 007 mission with the daddy last night. Hell no. We can't do this no more. We can't go backwards. He done rescued baby Jesus off the slave ship and we is not getting back on. Girl, no jacket or nothing, Jesus. Baby Jesus went through hell last night with his daddy. You better be the daddy. Shit. That baby gonna see 20 years from now that you had him dangling. Talking about the Power Rangers you didn't want to babysit. You ain't want the Power Rangers to babysit. Girl, like the slave, he had a baby like he was rescuing him off the slave ship or not. I was watching this shit like, God damn, was they finna...
What, is this a cop? No, just slow down. I can't slow down, Jay. I'm going 160, bro. I know, but... Oh my God, bro! I'm about to flip this bitch, oh God.
For a verse, for a nigga, so this is what you gotta deal with. This is what happens when you leave him. You should be better. You should be, well, this is crazy, bro. Harsh.
Yeah, it's blue.
Bro. There's no explanation for why my son don't have a parent at 4 in the morning. There's no explanation for why my son is staying with you and your baby daddy is dead at 4 in the morning. No fucking sense. You dog shit. You jump in the cars and go out and flip this shit. This. I just left the fuck out of her.
Keep coming.
Okay.
Can we just wait for her?
Bro, Marsh.
What?
Get out my face, bro.
Marsh, get out his face. Chill out. Marsh, hurry. Hurry, chill out. Hurry. Chill out.
Alright, let me in the car too. Stand with Marsh. My son stand with Marsh because it's for some dick. It's for a verse.
No, bro.
We not gonna stay right here in this car broken. We have a baby. What? No relationship. No relationship. You call the police right now, they're gonna say, what relationship do you have with this baby? What you gonna say? What you gonna say? My friends, baby, it's my whole ass nephew, bro. This baby has no relationship. That's my nephew, bro. That's my nephew. No relationship to you.
Hey, look, I'm with Jaden and Alexa.
Krishan went live to explain what happened last night when Blueface took Krishan Jr. Take a listen.
So I never knew like he was finna take my baby out of his sleep because I'm hanging out with my friends at a studio session, but I'm with my new It's Suave. But I didn't bring the baby around. I left him home with my family. Blueface beat me to my house before I even can get to my son. Try to take my son. Marsh ain't leaving his side. Marsh stuck
There you have it. Blueface was up in his feelings when he decided to take Junior last night. Marsh held it down for Krishan Rock and stayed with the baby until Krishan met up. There you go, Krishan being the big rock again and mature about the situation. She also mentioned that her and Jaden are good. Is this the end of the madness? This was just nuts. Blueface can't be running off in his feelings like this. However it unfolds, keep it locked right here on Blue Rock TV for all the juicy details.
No, it's maybe
How do you
because of me.
You
Maybe
like
the man.
face?
Maybe the man see me all about. Jesus Christ.
Hi, where dog? What's up? What? Oh, he disconnected. That's disrespectful. Hold on, let me see what happened.
Oh wait, this.
I think he saw it was me and then he disconnected. Hold on, I'm gonna just verify to see if that's what really happened.
Yes, Dibs, this better.
Oh, like you got scared and hung up?
You know what I don't understand is how some females say they don't like a bitch. The bitch ain't shit. But at the same time, you follow that bitch on every social media platform. You make sure you try to terrorize this bitch. You make sure you try to stop her money. You make sure you spread rumor. You make sure you tell lies. Like, if somebody isn't why is it that you're so invested in them and what they're doing with their life? How much money they're making? Why is it your job to try stop them if they ain't shit? You know what? You're just an insecure piece of shit, bitch. Like, you ain't shit, bitch. If you're bothered by somebody's existence, you are basically a ghost. There is nothing in this world that can get me to be bothered by a bitch.
If you're on TikTok or Instagram,
I want you to turn up to this right now.
Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Hold up. Yeah.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Get it, 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 get it.
TikTok. Get it for the 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 TikTok.
Get it for the TikTok. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it.
Let's try this again.
Swing left, swing right.
Dang.
My breath stink? Nah.
Hold up.
Nah.
Okay.
Fine face like Genevieve. Anything you want, I go be. I be right here, I don't leave. All my love, girl, me, I'm me African waist like Tiwa. She won't give me that work like Rihanna. Yeah, Jerry Bush, she rotate TV like a child. Yeah, she dey make man stand ovation. Abaka don't cause inflation for the nation. You say you want me love to the next time. You tell me say you don't want waste time. You say them other girls have to stand in line. You tell me say they go watch how we slow wine. Oh, you say you want to take control. Yeah, you say you want to take control. The way she dey do me, you beg back control. See the way you dey roll it, to beg back control. See my baby want to take control now. Hey.
Stick your head in here and let me take a photo of you. Nice.
that gonna give you like a wedgie? In fact, I just care about how it looks. I don't care about being comfortable. You look like the moon. Oh, I love that analogy. I love the moon. We're getting somewhere. There's a way to be honest and not hurt people's feelings. So I want you to learn that because there's a way to say, you know, I might not love that.
You know, I might not love your necklace or your outfit, but I'm just trying to support you because, you know, whatever you like, you know. Isn't that good?
Yeah, that was a good start. North won't lie, and that's amazing. So I'm trying to teach her, like, you don't need to just jump in and annihilate people for no reason. Like, there's a way to soften it up and just not hurt people's feelings. Really beautiful.
It would ruin your whole dress. It would, like, tear it.
Mm-hmm. I think so.
Hula. You have this outfit?
Can you have this outfit when I'm done with it after all of that? Now you want this outfit.
The homeless man who attacked me with swords at the shelter I worked at, he's being sentenced to 25 years this Friday. And it's kind of hard, but Friday, after I watch him get sentenced, I'll be going back to the shelter and I'll be bringing a bunch of donations and pushing forward with my life.
Life is not a waste of time, and time is not a waste of life. So let's stop wasting time, get wasted, and have the time of our lives.
Hey!